Welcome back. Today's day 3, and it's all about sound. Enjoy the sounds of Shangri. Sound is energy created by vibrations. Anything that moves will cause sound. And the sound travels through the air in waves, and it enters our ear and tells our brain what we're hearing.
You can make a model of a sound wave with a slinky like the one you have in your day 3 bag. So I want you to practice making a
high-pitched sound.
That's making it go fast.
Whoa.
Wow.
And then practice making
a low-pitched sound.
That's making it go slow.
You can make a model of your eardrum and how sound waves enter your ear. First, you need a cookie sheet, a spoon, a bowl with some saran wrap or plastic wrap on top. Pull it pretty tight. I have mine taped. And then you can add some salt on top. This can be a science trick at home. You can say, I can move the salt without blowing on it or touching the bowl. How can I do that? With sound waves, of course. Watch. Hit the pan very hard. Did you notice the salt moves? When you create sound with the pan, the sound waves travel through the air and the salt actually moved. That's what sound vibrations do. For this next activity, you'll need to find a fork and get the string out of day 3 bag. If you haven't cut the string yet, it'll be about 3 feet long. I'm going to hit the fork with a spoon, but before I do that, I want Kathleen to put the string near her ear. We're going to see if sound travels, just like that thunder that you hear, travels to her ear. Listen. What does it sound like?
Sounds like church bells.
You've got to try it. It's really cool. So we just learned that sound can travel through material, even a tiny piece of string. This is a telephone made out of 2 cups and a string. Now I'm going to ask Kathleen to separate from me so that I can try to talk to her. I'm going to speak into the phone and she's going to put it to her ear and see if she can hear me. Okay? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? I hear you loud.
Perfect! It worked! Cool! I hope you've enjoyed the lesson about sound. Remember, sound are vibrations that travel through the air. Your challenge is to find your kazoo in your bag and try to make a sound with it. Now remember, if you blow on it, like a whistle, it won't work. So you have to hum. And when you're humming, you'll feel the vibrations in your throat as well. Sort of like this. You get the idea. Have fun.